talking about HbbTV.
Yep.
Know nothing about it. Tell me what it is.
So first of all, HbbTV stands for Hybrid Broadcast Broadband Television. So it's a pan-European initiative to harmonize the broadcast of services across connected devices. There are more and more connected devices, either through set-top box or connected television. So having a standard protocol is essential if you want to leverage the development of application across as many devices as possible.
What about interactivity? How much more interactivity does it bring?
But through hybrid devices, you can get the best of both worlds. You can get the audio, video, some signaling information, some application through the broadcast, and that gives you like a level of services. And through the broadband, you get the non-linear content, such as catch-up TV, video on demand, and also a wider range of interactive application, because in that case, bandwidth is not an issue. So HbbTV is a way to standardize the broadcast of services across connected devices.
Okay, lots of letters, but what does HTTV bring to HbbTV?
HTTV is very strong in the broadcast industry. So through this standard, HbbTV is bringing some broadcast expertise and is combining solution to offer a hybrid solution. HTTV is heavily involved in the deployment and of this standard. We are part of the HbbTV consortium, where you have, of course, set-top box manufacturers, you have TV manufacturers, you have broadcasters, mainly from France and Germany, because it's where it started, and you have, of course, a software company. HbbTV being one of those software companies involved in this. So we try to be involved in as many trials as possible, and we were involved in the first HbbTV deployment in France with TV Normandy, and we are also involved in different trials to prove to the broadcasters there is a potential in HbbTV. So HTTV has been heavily involved in the development of this standard. We are part of the HbbTV consortium, and we are also involved in the first trials of HbbTV deployment in France on TV Normandy, and we are also working on some trial with the French DTT of a portal of application HbbTV. So that's what we do. We are also developing a range of products specifically targeting HbbTV application. One of them is a data casting solution, so that's an essential head-end equipment you need to broadcast HbbTV application. So we've developed this specific product, and we also developed Prime EPG, which is a solution for hybrid EPG compliant with HbbTV, where end users can have access to EPG either through broadcast in its minimal form, or either through broadband in its advanced form with rich media content, video, and so on.